Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing a one product wash and go routine for super defined curls. So you guys, today we're going to be using the Cantu Avocado Hydrating Gel. I recently went to the Essence Festival this weekend and I attended one of Cantu's day parties, and you guys, I was able to receive this gel. There were products that you could choose from and I picked this one, and they were also so nice. They gave us free accessories, and one that I picked was this brush. You guys, I think I'll insert some clips and footage of the event either throughout the video or at the end of the video, so make sure you watch all the way through so that you can see how that went. But let's jump right into this wash and go, okay? So I have already washed and conditioned my hair, and I just threw it up in these two clips. You guys, how come we don't ever have the same color clips in our hair whenever we're doing these wash and go routines? But anyway, so yeah, so I have washed and conditioned my hair, pulled it up in these clips, and I want to take it down and actually do the styling process with you guys and try this brush on my hair for the first time and give you guys my honest opinion, okay? Because you know, if you watch any of my other videos, you know there's a brush that I love. So we're gonna see if I love this one just as much and if it works to define my curls. So yeah, let's get started. It's raining outside, you guys, so if you hear noises and stuff like that, it's lots of rain and lots of things going on out there, okay? But I wanted to film this video for you guys today, so here it goes, okay? So first, what we're gonna do, I usually just wash my hair in a few sections. Today I did 2 sections because I started off going from straight hair because my hair had been flat ironed. So now I'm just going to section it off even more. And you guys, I know sometimes we try to get out of sectioning our hair, but we need to section our hair in order to, you know, brush through it and get those super defined curls, okay? So yes, what we're going to do is just, I'm gonna part through this, and then we're gonna try out the brush, and I'm just gonna, I'm not gonna make like a ton of parts, but we are going to go in sections, of course. So I'm super excited to try this gel too, just because this section looks a little bit bigger. Let me make it a little bit smaller. And you guys, just excuse me, the water is gonna get on my shirt. It just is what it is. We know how it goes when we wash our hair. I'm super excited to try this gel because I just feel like Cantu is one of those products, you guys, I feel like it's like the original, like, you know, when you first do like any type of big chop or anything like that, and you call up your friends and you're like, look, do you all have any product tips for like my natural hair now? Like, I'm trying to style my, you know, my wash and goes, and I'm trying to style my hair. Like, what products do you use? I feel like somebody at some point recommended Cantu to you. I just feel like it's one of those ones that we all kind of started off with. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys started off with it, because I definitely know I did. And it's one of those products, especially if you shop at places like Walmart, one of those products that's not locked up because it's affordable and you can just grab it and go, and they have a lot to choose from. So I've definitely used some Cantu in the past, and I was like, you know what, we're gonna bring it on back, reel it in to that Old Faithful, and try it out. Now, I'm feeling the gel, the consistency. I feel like it's still wet enough to where I don't feel like I need to add any additional water to my hair right now. But yeah, it feels like, you know, just a little sticky. I feel like it's gonna do what it needs to do, okay? So yeah, I'm just gonna get started and start going through these sections, putting some gel, and using the brush to define my curls. So I feel like it's definitely working through my hair, and I'm definitely counting on it to clump up these curls and bring them back to life, because I have been flat ironing the heck out of my hair, and my curls need to just pop on back, okay? I'm waiting on you, curls. So I'm just going to scrunch it a little bit just to encourage it, okay? My curls are probably like, what's going on? We've been getting all this heat for days and days and days. So yeah, we're just gonna scrunch it Okay, okay, I see you, curls. You know what to do. You're trying to come back like you need to, okay? So yeah, we're just gonna keep on repeating this step throughout sections of our hair, okay? This is what you do, okay? Just go through your hair and make sure your sections aren't too big so that you can really get the definition that you want, you guys. I've definitely tried to skip through and be like, you know what, I don't need to do as small of sections. And honestly, sometimes it'll come out looking kind of decent, but you guys, like the frizz that'll happen, and just some areas will be way curlier than others. It's just best to take your time and do it right the first time and go through each small section and take your time so that everything can be defined, okay? Well, right now, I feel like this brush is doing a pretty good job. It doesn't feel like it's going to break, okay? Because my hair can get tangled, and I've used some brushes and they have definitely felt like they were just going to like literally pop in half or something. So once again, take your hair and just kind of scrunch that section, give it a little encouragement, and there we go. Look at it. I feel like the curls are gonna do a little something. I really do. I feel like they're gonna come back to life. Okay, I'm gonna move these to the back and keep on going. Another thing I noticed about Cantu products too is that I feel like people with all different hair types, whether you have a 3A hair or 4C hair, I feel like almost everybody can get away with using Cantu products. So that's a good thing too. It's like they're affordable, and I notice people with all hair textures using them, and we like that. I know some products, like you'll watch people's videos and you're like, okay, great sis, that's gonna work for your hair, but what about my curls? And I feel like Cantu definitely can work for lots of different hair types. So honestly, I feel like this probably could have been, you know, basically showing you how to revert back from straight to curly. But this is, you know, it's basically going to be the same whether you're doing a wash and go just with your curly hair or going from straight to curly. So I definitely do recommend using some type of brush though when you go and you're reverting back from straight to curly, just because I feel like it just helps so much with definition, like using a brush. And I know sometimes people are like, okay, but then it clumps your curls too much and makes your curls look shorter and things like that, but it just is what it is. I'd rather have those curls not have as much length but be popping, okay? So, but I can understand. I definitely can understand, because now that my hair has grown out a lot more than it was when I first decided to go natural, you guys, I definitely love that I can do a little bit more. And you know, I like the way my curls are starting to look now that my hair has grown out. But let me tell you, I'm one of those ones who definitely have shrinkage, okay? So yes, if you're like me and your hair shrinks, I definitely feel your pain, okay? Because I can put a ponytail in. If I put a curly ponytail, sometimes, you guys, my ponytail will shrink up and it'll literally be like a puff, like this big. And people usually ask me like, is that real or did you buy that from the hair store? Like, it will shrink down to one cute little curly puff. So I'm applying a generous amount of the product onto my hair and sliding it through, especially since it's just one product. But don't like overdo it, okay? Just enough for it to be saturated and really, you know, hold your hair, but not to the point to where it's gonna be crunchy and flaky. We don't want crunchy, flaky curls, okay? We want soft, bouncy, super defined, and manageable curls. That's what we want here, okay? At least that's what I want. Now, if you're anything like me, you might have to work with the front of your hair, okay? I'm telling you now, because the front of my hair is definitely a different texture, and it's a little bit thinner than the rest of my hair, and sometimes the curls in the front just, you know, they act like they want to do different stuff than what we want them to do. So I'm definitely going to give them a little bit more extra attention, okay? To make sure that you get enough product at the base of your hair as well, or at the root of your hair, and use your brush all the way up there too to make sure it defines that area too, and make sure it's not going to be frizzy at the top, the bottom, the base, whichever one you call it, but up here by your neck, okay? Super fun as well. I wanted to tell you guys that their team, like the Cantu team, was so friendly and like so helpful, and they encourage you to like participate. I made like a little commercial while I was there. They also had this little claw game where you could win something out of there, like, you know, if you picked up something with the claw. They had a DJ, they had drinks and appetizers, and honestly just a really good time, you guys. So if you ever have the opportunity to check out an event like that, whether it be at any type of festival or something like Essence Festival, definitely sign up. The information and how to sign up to attend the event was on their Instagram page, so you know that's why you have to follow the brand's Instagrams so that you can, you know what's going on and keep up with new products and all that good stuff as well. I've been going through this hair super quickly, you guys. It's always pretty fast for me once my hair, like I'm doing a wash and go, going from straight and reverting back, because it's not as tangled, because it hasn't been curled up and stuff. So this is definitely going super quickly, but I think it's also going super quick too because it's one product. So let's hope it turns out how I want it to turn out, okay? But I think it will. I have faith in it. I think it's gonna turn out great. So let me get real close to the top of my hair. So I feel like that was super quick using this one product. So, you know, we kept it moving, brushed through it. It looks like it's gonna be defined, okay? Do you see the curls? The curls look like they're definitely gonna be popping. Let's check how much hair is lost in the brush. Let's see. How much shedding do we have? And honestly, you guys, for me, it's looking like it's looking like you did a good job, because I know some people are like afraid to use brushes like this because they kind of feel like they pull out their hair, But honestly, I feel like I worked through this one pretty well, and I don't think I have that much shed hair in this brush. Like, I can barely even get it out of the brush. Look, here it is here, that little bit. Let me ball it up so you guys can see. Oh, look, here's some on the edge of the brush. Okay, so if I ball it up, there it is. That little bit of shed hair, you guys. Not much at all. So this brush, and see, it's a few little pieces in there, but not many. So I feel like I could get with the brush, okay? I could definitely get with the brush for sure. Now let's see how the products look in my hair once my hair is dried up, and see if it's gonna be a go for this one product wash and go, okay? Let's see if the curls are gonna be defined and juicy, because we want them to be defined, hydrated. We want hydrated curls, moisturized looking curls. We want the curls to be defined and bouncy. So we're gonna see what it does. And like I said, it's a rainy day, so I'm not gonna let my hair air dry. I'm actually going to get my diffuser and diffuse my hair, and we'll see how it turns out. So you guys, I'm done diffusing. Throwing on some earrings because your girl loves a hoop with the curls, okay? So when my curls are popping, I just love a big hoop. But anyway, you guys, so you guys, my hair feels so soft. It is not giving crunchy. You guys, look at how defined. Now all I'm gonna do is pick it out, fluff it out so we can give a little bounce and body. And yeah, we're gonna see what the finished look is looking like. Going to pick it out. I'm looking at my mirror, by the way. So yeah, I'm just going to pick it out just to kind of fluff it some, give it a little more body. You guys, honestly, one thing I have been thinking about lately is I could probably definitely use a haircut just to kind of frame my face with my curls. I feel like, you know, now that it's getting longer, it's starting to kind of droop down, and I'm even thinking about a bang. Maybe I'll do like faux bangs for now, just kind of pull my hair back some and pin it to where it looks like it has bangs. But yeah, I just want a little more shape around my face. Alrighty, so yes, it is fluffed out. I feel like that's good enough for now. I might go and, you know, fluff it out a little bit more later, but you guys, great results, okay? Nothing is white or flaky or anything like that in my hair. It feels so soft. Like, this is what I like. I like for my curls to just feel like, you know, just soft and bouncy and not too crunchy. So you guys, I'd say this one is definitely a win. Okay, you guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video. So now I'm going to insert some clips from the Cantu event and, you know, everything that was going on at the Essence Festival. I hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss when I upload another video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck.